Alright guys, so we're out here at Drift Central. We just got in. We're waiting for tech, but I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the battles. I'm gonna put the G35 wheels on so that way we can burn those out, and then we're gonna switch to the anniversary wheels after that. But yeah, I'm super happy with the car. This is actually the first time I've actually drove the car on emits like this far, and I was scared that it was gonna like lose pressure and debeat on me, but I drove it to work, and through my whole 12-hour shift it didn't debeat, and it looks like there's still pressure in here because I drove it. And the tires are hard, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, switch out the back tires right now. Alright you guys, so this is the setup that we got right here. We got the Z, our little chill area with the tent. Apparently you can barbecue, so we brought a little grill. We'll be firing that up later on for the mandatory lunch break. And we got Christine getting the GoPros ready. And then we got the drift support vehicle right here with all the tools and the spare tires.
So we just had the drivers meeting, so group 1 is first. That's gonna be Blaine, so he's waiting in line all the way over there. I think there's about 3 people in front of him.
Angle helps a lot. I connected like the whole thing.
For real? Yeah, I saw you.
Oh. What the heck? What? I'm looking.
Yeah, go.
What's up, guys?
Nice wheels, bro.
Appreciate it. Big fan of all you guys, bro. Appreciate it. Alright guys, so I just went for the first lap of the day, and I have to say that this angle kit helps out so much. There's so much times where I feel like I was gonna lose it, but I had just that little extra bit of angle to save it, which helped out and saved me a lot on this course. As you guys can tell, it's a lot bigger course and a lot faster course, but it's so much fun. I got an adrenaline rush now, so I'm no longer tired, but we're gonna go again. I'm in line. So, man, this is so much fun now. Hopefully I can burn out these tires and then get some grip on the back with some newer tires. But yeah, we're just gonna have a blast. I'm probably gonna let Christine try a little bit. I still have to test out this hydro. I didn't use the hydro at all on that first lap. I just don't know where I would use it, but I'm gonna try and figure it out as the day goes by. So yeah, stay tuned for more drifting, guys.
Okay, let's see for the 2 time.
there.
It's okay, it's still good. You didn't even, you linked the whole thing.
This is my wife, Christine. Oh, babe. This is Christine. She needs to switch to second.
And then we had a set of anniversaries, but the driver's side is showing wire, so we're gonna have to. Yeah.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, Lane just finished a 12-hour shift, so you see we're tired. But this side is showing wire, so we're gonna go and get them flipped.
It's mandatory to make your little brother push the damn tires when he comes to a drift event. Alright guys, so we got the tire flipped. The guys over there are super cool, they charge super cheap. So if you guys need any tire flipping services when you're over here at the drift event, make sure you guys check them out. Yeah. What happened, babe?
I found my first tire!
Oh! She thinks she's a drifter now.
Sorry, just one hammer nowadays.
Hammers? Yeah.
Okay, this is our last tire. It's like almost gone.
Alright you guys, so this is the last lap. I'm bringing my mom with us, or with me. So here we go. Hopefully we can connect all the turns. Are you ready?
So what you think?
I think today was an awesome day of drifting. I did a whole lot better than I normally do. I met a lot of cool people today, so shout out to everybody that, you know, got a ride along. And no, today was a good day. I'm really happy. We burned through all the old tires, so now we can go ahead and start off with some fresh new tires. This wheel right here needs to be fixed because of the toe, so I need to bore out that toe bolt hole a little bit more just to get some more adjustment in there. But other than that, the car performed well. The angle kit, yo, the angle kit is like, if there's a cheat code for drifting, is get an angle kit. Like, it costs a little bit extra, a little bit more than, you know, some other things, but to me it's totally worth it. It made a big difference for me. Like, I know the basics, but the angle kit, like, it allowed me to get more angle and not spin out. I didn't really use the hydro. I did a couple of times, but I didn't really use it as much as I thought I was going to use it. But I will be trying it out. I think Sonoma would be better for that because it's more higher speed. Over here it's just it's like slower, so it's easier to just clutch kick it in. So we're trying that out at Sonoma.
Alright guys, we made it back home. The car is running solid and it's been running good the whole day. It took about 3.5 hours for us to get home, so we're kind of exhausted. But overall, today was very, very successful. It was my first time trying the track and I feel like I progressed a lot more than just doing like donuts and things like that. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to link the track today, which is a little bit disappointing. But I'm sure that with more seat time and more practice, I'll eventually get it. So hopefully at the next event, it'll be a little bit better. But for now, I'm pretty happy with my progress. I'm super, super proud of Blaine. He's doing really good. But I feel like Drift Central is probably my favorite event that we go to. I just feel like it's so well organized and the people there are always super, super chill. So thank you, Drift Central, for such an awesome event. We look forward to going to the next one. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. We have some big changes coming to the car real soon, probably in the next video. So stay tuned for that. But as always, thank